And good luck, guys. Certified Bird 5284 dice roll. We go 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 8 here, 8 here. Bucks up top. The Giants at the bottom. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tom up top. Josh Measles at the bottom. Let's sort them out. And Certified Bird, there's your squads. Good luck, everybody. First break of the day. Here we go. And Certified Early Bird. Good luck, everybody. Empty box. And here we go. Good luck on the Certified. Deebo Samuel to 199, Gold Team for the Niners. Kevin Maui on the autograph to 199 for the New York Jets. Nice card there for the Jets on the Kevin Maui. Base. Who's got those Jets? Kerry Kimbrough. Brett Karma takes down the Deebo for the Niners. Kid Reporter, Cooper Kupp, Christian Wilkins to 99, Desmond Ritter on the base. Christian Wilkins for Miami to 99. It goes to Richard Ossenfort. Gold Team of A.J. Brown, Patrick Mahomes to 199 on the jersey for Kansas City. Going to Steven Scragg on the Mahomes. There you go, Steve. Nice Mahomes, piece of the game. Jones, Derrick Henry. Kid Reporter, Justin Fields. Devon Achane to 399. Pollard, Christian Wilkins. Another nice one there for the Dolphins. On the Achane to 399. Kid Reporter. Got Immortals of Jamal Anderson, Nick Chubb to 99 for the Brownies. Going to Richard Ossenfort, piece of the game. Nick Chubb. Got CD, Gino, Deshaun. Kid Reporter, Justin Fields, Daniel Jones to 275. Burrow, Patrick Mahomes. Got Justin Tucker on the Gold Team and the base pack. Kid Reporter, Mahomes calling cards. Clayton Tune. Freshman Fabric Mirror Signatures Red. Going to Anthony and the Cardinals. There you go, Anthony. Oh, let me get this other Sharpie. Now it stinks to high hell. Again, going to Arizona on the Clayton Tune. Rocking with the blue Sharpie tonight. Going to the Cardinals. On the redemption, we got Hurts, Andrews, Patterson. 2 packs to go. We got Felix Uzama to 275 for Kansas City. Stingley, Stafford, last pack Magic. Good luck. Kidder Reporter, Bijan on the Franchise Foundations. Orange, Jordan Love, Bosa, James Conner. Getting Jordan Love to 149. And nice Bijan rookie as well. The Falcons and Tom Shepard. Do a quick recap here on the certified early bird. Bijan, Jordan Love, Felix Uzama, Clayton Tune on the RPA, Daniel Jones, Nick Chubb, Patch, A-Chain, Mahomes to 199, Wilkins, Debo, and Kevin Maui to 199 on the ink. Certified bird in the books. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.